This is the jun07 Core 3 paper. Question number 6 was the first one that people really had trouble with. Simple integration by parts to start with. We'll let u equal the first bit. We'll let dv by dx be the second bit. So you differentiate this, du by dx equals 1, and integrate this one here. The integral of this is 1/5 e to the 5x. And now the rule, the by parts rule, is u times v, so these two things times together, minus the integral of the two things you just worked out, these two things times together, which is 1/5 e to the 5x. Please put dx on the end as well. Tidying this up a little bit, x over 5 e to the 5x minus, integrating here again, got to divide by the 5 again, so we get 1 over 25 e to the 5x, and make sure we put a plus c on the end here. A lot of my class have then tried to tidy this up, factorizing it. No need to do that, just leave it like that. But here's where it gets fun, isn't it? Substitution. So as we all know, we always start a substitution by writing u equals, let's write that as x to the half as well. And then we're going to differentiate. Du by dx equals a half x to the minus half. And rearrange to get dx all on its own. So this is where we had some lots of fun. And as it's a show that, I've been very harsh when I'm marking it. Dx on its own. So let's try and rearrange this. It's du divided by a half x to the minus half. Now, just writing it like that is causing us too much trouble. So this half on the bottom here, which divided by a half means we're timesing by 2. Now we've got x to the minus half on the bottom. What does that mean? That means 1 over the square root of x. Whoops. 1 over the square root of x. Go away. There we go. I forgot 1 over the square root of x. That means we've got 2 root x on the top here. And again, finally, what was root x? Root x was, of course, u. So this tidies up to be 2u dx. Now we can do this integral. This integral is the integral of 1 over u times by 1 plus u, all times by dx, which is this thing we've just worked out, 2u du. Cancel these two u's, leaves us just u on the bottom, 1 plus u on the bottom, 2 over 1 plus u. That's the tidying up. So now we can do this thing here. We've actually got to work out what these values are. When x is equal to 1, then u is equal to 1, because it's just the square root of that. When x is equal to 9, u is equal to the square root of 9, which is 3. So when we integrate this, we get 2 the ln of 1 plus u between 1 and 3. So we've got 2 ln 4 minus 2 ln 2, which turns out to be ln 4. 16 divided by 4. 16 divided by 4 is 4. I'll stop there.